US crude again traded bearish yesterday while NG seeing the highs and getting the resistance at 6.6 tried to drop or consolidate a bit, and it is right now trading at 6.2 levels. Now what is going to happen today, which position we should take in order to make profit, what should be our strategy, and how these two instruments may behave today throughout this day, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do watch till the end and do listen to it carefully. Yes, if you are interested into gold, silver, oil, natural gas, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Germany, you can watch those analysis as well. The next update on gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq on the before the US cash session will be up just after 12 hours. So do watch that also. Let's start the day with US crude first. US crude trading at 93.5 levels, and it appears it is trying to give you a reversal indication. Let's start the day with an hourly chart. On the hourly chart, see here is a resistance at 94 levels. That should be a good level. If it breaks past 94, you can stay long, and then the next resistance here at around 95.2 will come into picture. After that 96, and see this is the level you should watch out for at around 97. So right now it is trying to rise, trying to bounce back, but it is getting a larger resistance at 94. There is a support at 92. If it breaks past 92, you can expect further downfall. But as I shared earlier many times, 92 is a very strong support level. Directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge. The stochastic was trading in oversold levels, trying to bounce back a bit. And MACD is trying to converge here, crossover for a bullish move on the early charts. RSI trying to come out from the oversold levels. Similarly, on the 2-hour charts, getting the resistance at 94. If it trades above 94, you can go long, and then one can expect a little reversal till towards 95, 96.2. Further upside is possible till towards 97 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. MACD is trying to converge here, and possible convergence can lead to crossover. RSI trading oversold. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see only long entry above 94. That is also very clear. It has formed a strong tail here, and that is what trying to make me little bit cautious. This is a reversal also indication, and with that as reversal indication, if you see oil trading above 94, you can go long on the 3-hour charts. That is what is the next target is 95.2, 96. 97 levels can also be possible. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold here, and if you look at the MACD, this is wide divergent and bearish. If you look at the RSI, this is oversold. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts there is a resistance here, and it is also indicating an reversal. Be watchful of 94 till the time it trades below 94. There is a probability that it may continue to drop, and yes, the resistance at 92 or the support at 92 is strong. Only drop below 92 will indicate that it is going to drop further. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is oversold on the 4-hour charts. A little reversal can be expected. The MACD is wide and divergent. It may start to converge. RSI is oversold on the 4-hour charts. And if you look at the daily chart here, on the daily chart, see how beautifully the body size has increased here. It is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. That is also trying to make me little bit convinced that it may try to reverse a bit before it looks over to any further drop, to a retracement, then a drop. So a possible retracement on the upside can be expected. Yes, one can stay long if it trades, only if it trades above 94, one can stay long. Let's have a more detailed look. See the directional movement extremely bearish out there. It is wide divergent. The stochastic is trying to cross for a sell. If you look at the MACD is wide divergent and bearish. Stock RSI are also looking downwards. Considering this, yes, there could be a little reversal which can be expected. Only long entry which is recommended today is above 94 levels. If you see it trading above 94, go long for 95.2, 96 and then 97, which is going to be a very strong resistance for crude oil. In fact, beyond 97, I think a little rise could be expected. However, this zone at 97 and 98 should provide a stronger resistance. On the downside, if you see it trading below 92, go short. In between 92 and 94, these $2 you have to be cautious here. In between 92 and 94, do not trade. I will be looking forward to a little bit of reversal or retracement again on the upside. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. See, net gas trying to trade bullish here, but look at this, it is still trying to consolidate a bit. Any move beyond 6.25 should be considered a breakout, and then you can again expect it to rise more. The next target is 6.3, 6.38, 6.45 levels, and in fact it can rise beyond those levels. So yes, go long about 6.25 levels. Any move beyond 6.25 should be a good entry to go long for further bullishness. At the same time, one must observe that 6.15 is a very good resistance. If you see it trading below 6.15, you have to go, you have to react bearish. In fact, 6.1 is the next resistance zone. So rather, I'll recommend go short at 6.1 itself. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a bullish move. RSI is sloping upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, here you can find out this is trying to give you a little bit of breakout. And yes, if you see it trading above 6.25, go long, and then 6.3 should come into picture. 6.35 is the next, 6.44, and then beyond that we can see it further rise. Remember, 6.4 is a stronger resistance for the day. We have seen earlier multiple candles getting consolidated here. Now that should provide a little resistance on the upside. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is MACD trying to diverge. It is in sell side. RSI looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, it is taking the support here at 6.1. The support here at 6.15 is strong. The resistance here at 6.25 is strong. In between this $1, you should not trade. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is at bottom trying to look upwards. MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see support here, and it is trying to converge a bit, trying to cross over, trying to trade bullish here. So I'll recommend you to stay long with the stop loss at 6.15. The target should be 6.3, and then beyond that we can also expect it to rise till towards 6.4 levels. Any move beyond that should be a bullish move. And on the downside, below 6.15, go short for 6.1, which is a good support. Below that, you can expect it to further fall till towards $6 levels, and beyond that it is going to crash heavily. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic is at bottom trying to rise upwards. MACD has crossed over, trading parallel, trading bearish. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the daily chart, see on the daily charts, higher highs, lower lows. The pivot here at around 6.4, 6.35 levels. It may try to hit this zone. Any move beyond 6.4 should be again considered as bullish, and it can again try to rise above 6.6 levels. So yes, on the downside, if you see it trading below 6.15, go short. On the upside, beyond 6.25, go long. On the upside, 6.4 is a very strong resistance for the day. If you see it trading above 6.4, we can again expect it to rise more. However, it can swing a bit between. If you see, in fact, at 6.35, 6.4 levels, it can again try to drop from those levels. Remember, this is going to be a strong resistance. So always, if you are taken a long at 6.25, keep your stop losses cost and close some of your positions at around 6.354 levels. And always keep shifting your stop loss to cost whenever you see your trade is in green, because it can swing. Last day also we have seen it is swinging strongly. This time again it may try to swing strongly. So do not keep your shorts about 6.25 and do not keep your longs open below 6.15. Below 6.15 you have to go short for 6.1, and then below that we may see it falling further, crashing further till towards $6 and $5.9. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly, trade profitably. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries, and if you want to be part of my mentorship batch, this is a 15-day session, 90 minutes daily, and lot much of practice will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details related to it. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.